Now, AMC stock had another very difficult day today, and so did the rest of the market. Guys, the market in its entirety was down. And if you stopped by the live stream earlier, you could see it didn't matter if you clicked on a large cap stock, if you clicked on a small cap stock, it didn't matter if you clicked on an ETF. Everything was getting blasted and getting hit very hard. Now, I do want to talk about some of the reasons why we may have seen AMC and the rest of the stock market fall off today. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, you have those down there, each with their own rewards as well. I mean, there's nothing to say that would be encouraging enough to undo all of the red that has been done over the last several months. I mean, you're talking the stock market has been falling since November. AMC has really been falling since June, going on almost a year now. And a lot of people are correlating this to AMC being dead. Or you shouldn't invest in meme stocks because they're all falling. Literally, it doesn't matter what stock you look at, it's declining right now. And another example, Tesla's earnings came out yesterday, and Tesla performed phenomenally. And today they were up 10%, and throughout the course of the day, gave back nearly the entire gain that Tesla had made. So it goes to show you that it's not just AMC that is getting hit very hard. We are in a very, very difficult market right now. Potentially a bear market that may last for quite some time. Now, I know a lot of people want to know when the dip is going to be over so they can get in at the absolute bottom, and it's impossible to really figure out. But if we look at the reasons why the market is falling, it can give us a better understanding of when it should rebound and when AMC stock should rebound. So looking at it, I believe we are sitting on a very sensitive market right now. AMC investors included. You know, AMC investors have been punched and torn and bit and just, clawed for the last year. And knowing that they're slowly being beaten down, there will be some that are holding whatever they're willing to hold, regardless of emotion, that are able to stay through and stay true to their original plan. But for the rest of us that are out there and are wondering, is it time? Like, when is it going to happen? What is going on? The sensitivity of the market is very important, even for AMC. Now, what do I mean by sensitivity? It seems like anytime Jerome Powell comes up and talks in front of anybody, I mean, he could just be recorded talking to his cousin, and the stock market sells off. Anytime we've got some sort of a press conference from anybody of importance, the market wants to sell off for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's this talk of inflation and interest rates. Anytime it's being brought up right now, investors are nervous of what could happen next. And the fact that they sell off, guys, whatever was said today at the two Fed announcements, they could say the exact same thing again tomorrow, and I would expect another sell-off. It doesn't matter if we're getting new news or if we're just getting the same news. Investors seem to react negatively anytime there's news. And what does that indicate? That indicates that there is extreme fear in the market. And anytime we see extreme fear in the market, we will see volatility like this. It's not exclusive to AMC. It is not exclusive to GameStop. It is not exclusive to meme stocks. It is exclusive to the market and exclusive to investors. You know, if you're not in the stock market right now, if you have no money invested, it's not going to bother you. The stock market is going down. But when you look at multi-hundred-billion-dollar companies like Netflix, and they can lose 35% in a day, and we don't even have bargain hunters coming in and buying them, it loses another 5% the following day, like we're seeing right now. This is insane, the amount of fear we're seeing. Now, this amount of fear can really indicate one of two things. One, that we are going to continue in this cycle until we see a catalyst, until something comes along and changes the horizon for AMC, for GameStop, for the overall market, whatever it is that you're invested in. We need some sort of a catalyst. Short of a catalyst, we need something to, I guess, I don't know the best way to put this, but if you've got a group of fearful investors here, there will always be people who are willing to buy. And when stock prices get low enough that it doesn't matter how much fear is in the market, the greed will start to set in, or the profit, I guess, potential will start to set in, and investors will say themselves, you know what? The market's not good. The economy is not good. We still see increasing interest rates on the horizon, but these prices are way too cheap to pass up. And one of these two things will occur. One of these two things has to happen. Guys, this is not the end. It is not over for AMC. It is not over for the stock market. We are in a bear market right now, and it will come to an end. Investors will be confident. Investors will have the bargain hunting chance of a lifetime. I'm sure there are people out there that were kicking themselves for not getting in 2008. I'm sure there were people who were kicking themselves for not getting in 2020. Well, here's your chance. The stock market is being brutalized every single day. These meme stocks that we love are being brutalized every single day. And you know what doesn't change? All of the fear, all of the emotion, all of the excitement that can surround the market on that emotional level, that psychological level, that stuff intensifies. But you know what doesn't change? The numbers. The numbers do not lie. AMC short interest is not changing because of the fear. AMC squeeze potential is not changing because of the fear. The cost to borrow, the volatility, all of the numbers surrounding a short squeeze do not change because investors are fearful. We are being set up with an opportunity, guys, if we are able to make it through, to earn life-changing money. And I hope that you guys do not give up before it is too late, and every single one of you is able to achieve the short squeeze and get that future, that life-changing money that we all set out for. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know about all of the fear. If you guys are feeling fearful yourself or anything, encourage everybody down there. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You got links for Webull, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.